Welcome friends. So today we will be learning regarding APGAR score. Okay, APGAR score. It is very important assessment. Okay, and it was developed by Dr. Virginia APGAR in 1953. Okay, and it is an important topic for medical students and also who are preparing for the NEET exam. Okay, this topic is very important. Okay, so now let's quickly see. So it is a clinical assessment of a newborn's health shortly after birth. Okay. It is a quick way for health professionals to evaluate the baby's condition by looking at 5 characteristics. Okay. Number 1 was skin color, number 2 pulse, number 3 breathing, number 4 muscle tone, and number 5 is reflex irritability. Okay. Each characteristic is given a score of 0, 1 or 2. Okay. Each characteristic is given a score of 0, 1 or 2 with a total score ranging from 0 to 10. Okay. A higher score indicates that the baby is doing better. A score of 7 or higher at 5 minutes after birth is considered normal. Okay. A score of less than 7 indicates complications. APGAR scoring is designed to assess for signs of hemodynamics, okay? Hemodynamic compromise including cyanosis, hypoperfusion, bradycardia, hypotonia, respiratory depression or apnea. Okay? The APGAR score is measured at 1 and 5 minutes and then at 10 and 20 minutes as resuscitative efforts are continued. Okay, so this scale is basically used at the first minute after birth and at 5 minutes after birth. Okay, and then after 10 and 20 minutes as resuscitative efforts are continued. Okay. A score of 0 to 3 indicates a severely depressed neonate. Okay, whereas a score of 7 to 10 is considered normal. Okay, so now let's quickly see the table. Okay, so now let's quickly see the APGAR scoring system. Okay, so this is the APGAR scoring system. These are the APGAR signs. Which signs? Appearance, pulse, grimace, activity and respiratory. Okay. So from that this name has been derived. Okay. APGAR, APGAR. Appearance, pulse, grimace, activity and respiration. Okay. So now first let's quickly see the appearance. Okay, appearance means we have to look for the skin color. Okay, if the skin is bluish gray or pale, then the score will be 0. If the body is pink with blue hands or feet, then the score will be 1. Okay, and if the entire body is pink, then the score will be 2. Okay, let's look for the pulse. Pulse means heart rate. Okay, if there is no pulse, then the score will be 0. Okay, if the pulse are under 100 beats per minute, then the score will be 1. If the heartbeats are at least 100 beats per minute, then the score will be 2. Okay, let's look for the grimace. Grimace means reflexes. Okay, if there is no response, okay, then the score will be 0. Okay, and if there is facial movement, only grimace with stimulation, then the score will be 1. Okay, but if there is pull away, sneezes, cough or cries with stimulation, then score will be 2. Okay, let's look for the activity. Activity means they are talking about the muscle tone. Okay, If there is limp or weak movements, which means floppy tone, then the score will be 0. Okay. And if there is some movements of arm and legs, okay, or there is flexed limbs, okay, then the score will be 1. Okay. And if there is active movements or there is spontaneous movement, then the score will be 2. Okay. And if there then look for the respiration, okay, breathing, which means breathing. If there is not breathing, okay, if the child is not breathing, then the score will be 0. If there is slow or irregular breathing or a weak cry, then the score will be 1. Okay. And if the child is having normal breathing rate and effort, and there is strong cry, then the score will be 2. Okay. I hope you understood this. This is very important topic. Okay. This is very important topic in medical.